Hope you beautiful bees are doing well. Check out this gorgeous vine. So pretty. And how to know your life purpose. We're going to be talking a lot about life purpose because there's so many people that aren't happy. They're going to work every day. They're making money, but they're not happy. They're exchanging time for money. And I've been there. And I've been in a job that was not serving me. And the only reason I was there was for the money. And I realized there's so much more that we need to explore. And your happiness is worth more than any monetary amount. So how do you know what to do? How do you know what to do here? Well, the question I asked myself is, what do I want to stand for? What do I want to be known for? I see a lot of people on YouTube that do a lot of videos, but they're not helping humanity. They're dumbing humanity down, or they are contributing, they're doing mukbangs, and it's only contributing to the obesity epidemic, right? So you want to ask yourself serious questions of what do you want to be known for? What do you want to be a part of? Are you a part of the problem or the solution? Those questions will help you decide, will help navigate you to what is it that you want to do on this planet. What is it that you want to help create? Do you want to help create a world of sickness and dis-ease? Or health, happiness, love, abundance? And I had to ask myself those questions, and then I had to ask myself, how can I make this happen? How do we start changing the world that we're seeing? Because if we don't like what we see and we're a part of creating that, we have to first be the change. And that takes incredible strength, discipline, and action. And it must start with each of us individually to change the collective. So if we don't like what we see externally, we must first start with ourselves. And it's a good time to really work on ourselves. Mother Nature is saying, hey, humans, you need to take a break and look at what you're doing to Mother Nature and the planet. We need healing. Mother Nature needs to be healed. Humans need to start taking care of themselves, start treating their bodies with love, respect, and looking at what we're feeding our minds, our bodies, and start feeding it more love and health. When we do that, we'll all be rising.